can we at least first start pointing the fingers at the billionaires and the trillionaires who ordered the hit on that guy? So I see all these comments saying that it was a disgruntled family member of somebody who got denied claims. That wasn't just average Joe. That was an orchestrated attack from a coordinated group who had training, and those people are fucking killers, okay? And they killed that guy because he was a fucking whistleblower. There's nothing about that that says this is normal. Yes, insurance companies deny claims, but they also have appeals processes in place where if you have medical necessity and you prove that, then they're going to cover it. As a health insurance agent broker with a decade of experience, I've never had a customer or a patient who got denied under the Patient Protection Affordable Care Act not receive treatment after appeal. Anytime a customer of mine has ever gotten denied any sort of coverage under the Affordable Care Act, we've been able to appeal that through the channels at the insurance company. And if you can't get that resolved due to medical necessity, which I've never actually had that happen, you would file a grievance with the state Department of Insurance. What we have here is a problem of education. I think people are taking the victim stance and they're uneducated. Any situation that I see online in the comments, I think it could be handled by a competent agent. If customers found trusted agents that are advocates and have experience and they have know-how and they apply that knowledge and they apply that know-how and they have conviction behind it, I don't think you can stop a customer and a good agent combo. Well, these insurance companies, they listen to doctors, they listen to us, and they will do what's right. They will make these folks whole. I think there's some people who are just trying to be victims. And I understand that there's problems out there and people get stuff denied. If it's medically necessary, you should be able to appeal that and win. I have a bad feeling that a lot of the people that have gotten denied don't know this process and they don't have competent agents working with them. Each insurance company that I work with has a process for appeals. And if you follow the steps, you're going to get a doctor's note saying that whatever got denied is medically necessary and it will be covered. If your doctor is in network and they say that you need to get a certain treatment or medication, the insurance company is going to trust that doctor and they're going to overturn that denial and they're going to pay that claim. If you guys want to just go after deca millionaires instead of all these billionaires or trillionaires who ordered that hit, that's on you. But I feel like you guys are just skipping over the biggest part of this. If they don't cover it, then you file a grievance with the state. There's no average Joe that's going to pull that hit off for their grandma or auntie. You know, they might get killed doing something like that, but they're not going to get those shots off and then escape. You know, like that was absolutely a professional hitman, and that hit was ordered by billionaires and trillionaires. I think we should have universal health care or something like that as well. And I think we can move towards that. It's not going to happen overnight by killing a CEO that has a net worth of 50 million. I know deca millionaires, okay? Like, they're not the primary issue. I mean, I understand that there shouldn't be people with just mass wealth and this huge wealth gap.